Many students are curious about Argyle ISD voting and passing the new drug testing policy for those participating in UIL activities and/or parking on campus. Argyle High School has introduced a new policy to students. Through signed consent, those who participate in extracurriculars and/or park on campus are given numbers that could be drawn for drug testing.
Everyone knows that most people who are addicted to those type of things, they start early on, right? And if you're going to start getting into drugs, probably going to start in middle school or high school, right?
Argyle ISD partnered with Forward Edge, a third-party drug testing company that specializes in school drug tests, in order to keep drug use under control.
The importance of drug testing all of our students is that we as a school, as a district, are really doing everything that we can to dissuade students from using drugs, from using narcotics.
Mr. Hill will pull the kids out of class and the company will collect a urine sample. Within 24 hours, the test results will be sent back and the problem will be addressed.
Are there drugs in the school? Of course there are. We'd be stupid to think that there weren't. We're not going to wait until it becomes a huge problem before we address it. We want to take care of it now.
For a first offense, students and their parents will be called into a meeting with Mr. Hill, their counselor, and a coach of any activity to discuss the required drug counseling and retest 30 days later.
Second offense, there's loss of UIL privileges for 14 days and parking privileges for 14 days. And then on top of that, they're going to have to go to more counseling, and then they'll have to give a third drug test, right? Happens a third time, then they lose privileges for a full year.
Mr. Hill clarifies that this was not a way to catch or punish kids, but to prevent them from using all illegal substances.
Up until now, there really wasn't a reason to say no. So we're giving them a reason to say no, basically, is what it is.
When selected, students will complete a form listing any medications they are currently taking.
We're going to do what we can do to help dissuade them from using illegal narcotics and drugs and such.
Administration hopes this will benefit and lead the student body into a cleaner lifestyle. This has been Izzy Adu and Carly Haynes reporting for the Talon News.